Hello friends, welcome back to CIVILDEPTH-BD. Today I will show you how we can generate AutoCAD 2D drawing from a 3D model which is modeled in SketchUp. At first we have to delete all the unnecessary objects and lines to make it more precise. This is the front side we are considering. You can delete these lines from the AutoCAD drawing also, but I will prefer this modification in SketchUp. Okay, for this sunset I will make the change in AutoCAD file. Okay. Now go to camera, standard view, front. By default, SketchUp considering this part or this side as front. So what we have to do, we have to select the whole structure or whole model. Then we have to rotate this one along blue axis by 180 degree. Now if I go to camera, then front, okay, this is the side which we need as front view. Now what we have to do, again go to camera, then select parallel projection. Now this file is ready to be converted into AutoCAD 2D. What we have to do, go to file, then go to export 2D graphics. From the drop down menu, definitely select AutoCAD DWG file, name it as front. Conversion done. For the left side also, go to camera, standard view, go to left, then go to file, export 2D graphics. I will name it as left. Export done. So at first I will check the dimensions between SketchUp and AutoCAD, either it is okay or not. So this is the sunset basically, right? This is the portion. Delete. Now let's check the dimension, but before checking the dimension we have to confirm the units and dimension style. I am selecting here architectural 1/16. Click on OK. Then go to D, enter. Go to modify. Text I will take suppose 5 inches. Primary units I will select architectural precision 1/16. Click on OK. Set current. Close. Now check the dimension here. 4 feet 6 inches. Now go to SketchUp, hide this one for the time being. Now check the dimension. 4 feet 6 inches. That means there is no difference, right? Okay. Now we will create a slab outline. So at first I will select this slab panel. Slab outline is very important for architectural beauty. If you have designed something with architectural beauty, but if you didn't confirm the slab outline, in that case you will not be able to implement that architectural design. So select this one. Now we can delete them. Explode. We just need this portion. Take a copy here. We don't need the face, we just need the sidelines. Now delete. Go to camera, standard view, then go to top view, camera. Okay, it's up in parallel projection. Now we can export the file. Go to export 2D graphics. I will name it as slab outline. export, conversion done. At first, check the dimensions here. This is 1 feet for almost 1 feet 5 inches. This is 1 feet. So if I go to the slab outline, I will select this one, Control C, copy, and here Control V, paste. UCS icon, I will make this one no origin. UCS icon, no origin. Okay, fine. Now we have to check the dimensions for slab outline here. Similar dimension, there is no difference, right? That means we have converted the 3D model into AutoCAD 2D perfectly. That's all for today. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you.